gosh, I just dropped my fries. Oh my. Hey guys, it's me, Elena, or yes, hello, welcome back. I changed angles because that angle was so horrible, and my dad took out Google, so I couldn't ask Google to turn my brightness up to 100%. Hopefully you guys can hear me because, I don't know. I just came home, and today, as you guys can tell, we finna do a mukbang. So I got my Wendy's. I just got home, and it's going to be a very boring one. Why? Because I'm just gonna be talking to you guys. Oh, and I got a cherry Coke. So here we have the nuggets.
Okay,
Oh my god, I'm so uncomfortable with eating in front of camera, but you know, I'm gonna do it. Oh my god, you guys. It's raining. It's been raining the whole day.
Comedies from the best-selling authors. I'm not a best-selling author, but I can recommend them to you.
And
on Audible,
I was so squishy today. Like, you guys don't even know. Should I turn the lights on? It's not gonna make a difference.
Told me that I should listen to it and read it, so I am. So if you want to, you know, stimulate your senses, you can go to audible.com or text my out to 500.
You know what? That's kind of better. Okay.
And one free audio book.
So we're gonna eat the nuggets. Oh, I should probably show all of the food. Which, okay. Thumbnail. Okay. So we're gonna show all the food. Oh, I want to talk to you guys, okay? I want to talk about a lot, okay? I have a lot of issues, and I think you guys know that I have a lot of issues. I have a lot of boy issues.
This is actually really cute. What the hell is that? I couldn't figure out how to pick that up. That's my fire.
Okay, I'm back. I know you're not supposed to like edit mukbangs so much, but I did it anyways. So here's all the food, and I got the best setup as I could. You see, I usually use this to film, but not today. Okay, about my issues. I honestly, like, why am I so ugly? Can y'all tell me? Like, my mom's not ugly, my dad's not ugly, my brother, my sister, my brother, and my half-brother, they're not ugly. In fact, my brother and my sister, the two middle children, they're the most like beautiful of our family. So you know what? Like, I want a boyfriend, you guys. So much. And I don't like anybody anymore. I'm crush free. But if anybody ends up having an interest in me, let me know, because I'm free. I'm as free as something, I don't know. I'm as free as a bird. No, even birds have mates. Like, come on now. I want a new nose.
Hating at school.
You know what I mean?
Right this second.
Like,
This is what we have going on. But okay, I like the concept, except the execution was not good. I thought they were gonna be bigger when I ordered them online. So like I said, don't order anything online. It all came back to the store, and I got black frames instead. Instead of these 2 little mirrors, I got.
like I want to get surgery on my nose, but I don't want surgery. You know what I mean?
Any better? Oh God, I hope. Did I?
No, I think this angle is better, quite honestly.
And then I changed the old frames.
And I think if I get surgery, I'm gonna regret it so bad. Like I might be satisfied, maybe not, but I'm gonna regret it so bad.
Oh, but then see, I have these things that are supposed to go like over the frames.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, I think
It's so big, I can't even bite it.
Well, why did you think that was necessary for the room tour?
I stood on the bed this morning to hang them up, and then I was like, the eyes.
Does anybody eat fries and then you're constantly eating it and then is sad when they're gone because same?
I mean, you got your grocery.
What?
Oh,
Wait, what? I didn't go to the grocery store. You like how like our little... See?
I look like a soccer
Yeah, that's your
player.
moment.
Yours look like a blur in my face. The music from the other guy.
This is my food.
Matching food, too, I think.
I was gonna do a Popeyes mukbang, but no.
That I'll never ever read. Yeah, I feel like it's kind of based on their size. Of like what I thought was funny.
Where did you go shopping for books?
Barnes and Noble.
Oh.
You have a reward point account, and I said, I don't have much jewelry because every time I do have jewelry, it somehow breaks. Oh, I can't forget that. You're more realistic for me because no matter what you do.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Mind trick. Geometry in the morning.
I don't know what to talk about. Like, clearly, if you've seen from my other mukbangs, I didn't know what to do. It's really better like this. If I just have a mukbang like this, you guys won't even notice. Like, you guys don't have to look at my face, so
Oh yeah, this is just room 1. I can only do 1 room at a time.
I think it's...
Well, also, we've completely taken over this apartment.
Before you guys call me pig,
Well, why do you use people ideas?
I know I'm one, so don't have to call me a pig, because I know I am.
Well, I think you also need to like reveal the ring to Shane and Amber. Honestly, for like a girl's, I'm shocked. Like I don't know. My decorating skills are none. To be like one of the first real beauty girls being like,
What's up guys, today I am trying a new pair of lipstick. Oh, that will not be me.
I didn't even grab napkins.
That will still not be me. Oh, this will be me. I still hear it better right. Let me put up.
I knew this whole thing.
Oh wait.
I don't know what to talk about, you guys.
But from my non-designer eye, I would give this honestly a 9 out of 10. I just don't want to give you like the ego of saying it's a 10 out of 10. Coasters are cool.
Oh, this is my favorite coaster. I have one on both sides.
No. I like the sweet and sour sauce when it was in a circle, but we don't discriminate against shapes, so.
There were so many boxes from everything you see here, and literally none of them are in the trash can. They're all throughout this apartment. So these boxes are again 100 more boxes, more boxes.
If I talk, you guys can see my double chin. Oh. Whatever. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I just dropped my fries. Oh my gosh.
Hold on to Shane and
Like, thank the Lord, I swept and swept, mop. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm a mess. Clearly, you guys can see that I'm a mess. And I don't know how to vlog with cameras. I mean, I do, but I'm not gonna edit. I don't know. I've been trying for the past like 5 minutes to make storage. And I couldn't even eat. Like, I want to eat.
Oh my gosh, I found a coaster. I have one on both sides.
The dog's cooking or something.
Oh, that's a coaster wing. So, like I said,
What should I watch next? Because Morgan's video ended.
There were so many boxes from
Oh my gosh, did you guys hear Lavia and Rose? Like, it's been trending for like it's been trending for 2 whole days. Like, if that's not Monster Rookies, then I don't know what is. I don't know what to watch. I guess I'll watch Nikki and Gabby. I love Nikki and Gabby, dude. I love, honestly, like, if I don't find myself a boyfriend like Colin, I don't want him. Cause sister. Not only is Colin 5 years older than me, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 years older than me, he's funny and he's cute. So you know what? Don't worry, Gabby, I'm not coming for Colin. But I also want a Nate because Nate is like I like the Halloween costumes in public. That one was funny. Like the kiss. Okay, let me finish eating.
Hey guys, so we're back with
Didn't just say it's Nikki and Gabby.
As you guys know, in these episodes, we have no idea what we're about to do. Our producer basically set up today, and she's gonna text us soon. 3 emoji hits. We have no idea what we're doing. I'm nervous. Wait for her text. Oh god, a package. Eyes. There it goes. Please let this be another like paranormal challenge. Oh god, she's here. I'm like scared. It's like eerie and rainy now, so now I'm gonna get terrified. Weird mood outside, but okay, let's go.
Oh shoot.
This is like a Twitch episode. We're gonna be trying something, so what you can try on my phone. Like that's a YouTube word. I can have to use it. What if we're gonna kidnap that person? Shut up! Ew!
Is that better?
Keep opening!
I guess that's better because I'm showing all the food.
Is that bar flyer?
I love fries, dude.
What are we doing? What are we trying to do?
My posters are still up there. we have a few days left in this house, but that's not gonna stop me from keeping the poses up. Hi, my name's Elena, and I just laugh at random times because I keep remembering something funny that's not a part of what I'm doing. So, I. Oh my god. I want to. Oh, I should have just done this. I want to do a Cinnabon mukbang with my friends, with my 2 groups of friends. Oh my gosh, cause we all love food, so I love fries, you guys. Oh, did I tell you guys what I got? I got the 4 for $5. I got the junior bacon cheeseburger. Well, technically just a junior bacon cheeseburger and a cherry coke. So, yeah, I want some coleslaw from Popeyes, but I ate that last night. That's so good. So good. So good. I told myself that I'm gonna lose weight so I can go to prom. I told myself I'm not going to prom unless I lose weight, and clearly, by the looks of it, I'm not going to prom. Junior prom. Also, I don't even have a boyfriend. No, I'm trying to focus on my grades. Honestly, school sucks, but I'm still gonna go because I want to graduate. I can't wait. I'm a delight to be around, so I don't know why I'm still single. Like, I know people want me. Nobody wants me. I'm just joking. Also, I'm going to miss making videos here because you guys saw, like, I just started YouTube, but You guys seen the blue walls a lot. Y'all are gonna be seeing white walls from now on. Like, we're not gonna paint our house, so that's why. Ew, I look bald. Wait. Ew. See? I'm a delight to be around. But still, here I am. No, I'm just joking. I talk about guys too much. I eat a lot to get rid of my double chin, but it's still here. It's never gonna leave. The last bite. It's too overwhelming just chewing and chewing and chewing, like. My fries are cold. Y'all want some? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys never watch again. Don't ever watch this video ever again. Watch it once and that's it. But you guys should go watch my other videos, because just don't watch this one. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna go sleep.